Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Fanimation brand ceiling fan and the remote is not working. What might need to happen is that you need to repair the controller with the motor receiver, and that's a real easy thing to do. So the first thing you need to do is you're going to need to turn your fan off and completely turn it off at the breaker. And once power is totally out, you want to make sure that you have batteries in your controller. And then once you do that, you can turn the power back onto your fan. And once power is back onto your fan, the next step you need to do it within a minute of turning it back on, because it will search for a remote for the first minute and then it will stop. So what you need to do is once you get the power back onto your fan, you'll see on the back of your remote where the batteries go, you have this set button, and you may need to use like a pen or a paper clip or something to push the button. So you're going to push and hold the set button for 5 seconds, and that will pair it with the fan motor. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.